What if your bank account could grow while you sleep? What if money worked for you even when you're doing nothing at all? This isn't fantasy. It's the reality for millions of people who understand one thing most don't: how to build passive income streams. And today we're revealing the top 5 ways you can earn money while you sleep in 2025. Real proven income streams used by everyday people, not just millionaires. Because the truth is, while most people trade time for money, the wealthy have systems that never stop paying them. Hey there, welcome back to Equity and Estates, the place where we turn money, real estate, and smart credit into true financial freedom. If you're ready to build wealth that doesn't rely on your 9 to 5, do one thing for me: smash that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell. Because this is where financial knowledge turns into financial power. In this video, we'll break down the 5 best passive income streams you can start this year, how they work, how to get started, how much you can realistically earn, and the exact mindset that separates people who wish from people who win. And trust me, number 1 on this list might surprise you. Let's start with number 5, investing in stocks and crypto. This is one of the oldest and most reliable ways to make money while you sleep. Because when you invest, your money goes to work instead of you. When you buy stocks, you're buying a piece of a company, like Apple, Microsoft, or Tesla. As those companies grow, so does your investment. But that's not all. Many stocks pay dividends, small cash payments sent to your account every quarter just for holding shares. That's income you earn without lifting a finger. If you'd invested just $1,000 into Apple in 2010, it would be worth over $20,000 today. And that's without counting dividends. Now, let's talk crypto, the modern frontier of digital wealth. Crypto assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum are risky, yes, but they've also created millionaires overnight. However, smart investors don't buy during hype. They buy during fear. The best time to invest in both stocks and crypto is when the market crashes, when everyone else is panicking and prices are low. Because as history shows, markets always recover and patience pays the biggest rewards. To start, use platforms like Fidelity, Webull, or Robinhood for stocks. For crypto, look into Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. And always remember, invest what you can afford to leave untouched for years. That's how real investors grow wealth: slowly, steadily, and while they sleep. Number 4, dropshipping. This is one of the fastest ways to start an online business without owning inventory. Here's how it works. You create an online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, and you list products that are trending or in demand. When someone places an order, your supplier ships it directly to the customer. You never touch the product. You simply collect the profit between the selling price and the supplier price. Here's a real example. Sebastian Georgiou, a young entrepreneur, started drop shipping while working at a car wash. Within months, he made enough to quit his job, earning 6 figures by scaling viral products with Facebook and TikTok ads. The secret? Find trending products, like home gadgets, smart accessories, or fitness gear, and create short viral videos showcasing them. Dropshipping today is all about automation. Tools like DSers or AutoDS can connect suppliers, automate fulfillment, and handle customer tracking. Yes, competition exists, but creativity wins. If you can find a niche and build trust, you can build a business that runs 24/7, even while you're asleep. Because every sale made overnight, that's money working, not you. Whoa, wait. You've made it this far and haven't subscribed yet? You're literally learning how to make money while you sleep. And you're not hitting that red button? Come on. Make that button turn gray, join the crew, and let's keep stacking those income streams together. Because every week we break down how normal people are turning smart ideas into real money. Number 3, faceless YouTube automation channels. Yes, YouTube is still a gold mine in 2025. And now you don't even need to be on camera. Faceless channels use AI voiceovers, stock videos, and editing software to create content automatically. Once your video is uploaded and monetized, it keeps earning views, ad revenue, and sponsorships forever. Think about channels like TopThink, Practical Wisdom, or Success Secrets. They earn anywhere from $10,000 to $100,000 per month simply by uploading evergreen content in niches like motivation, finance, luxury, or storytelling. To start, pick a topic people watch daily: money, mindset, or mysteries. Use tools like Pictory, CapCut, and 11 Labs to generate visuals and voiceovers. Post consistently and optimize for watch time. YouTube pays you through ads, but you can also earn from affiliate links, digital products, or brand deals. The best part? Once a video goes viral, it pays for months or even years without extra work. Your video library becomes digital real estate, a collection of assets that earn revenue 24/7. So if you've ever dreamed of creating content but don't want to be on camera, this is your lane. Number 2, real estate, the timeless king of wealth. From ancient times to modern billionaires, property has always been the backbone of financial freedom. But here's the secret. You don't need to buy a mansion to start. In 2025, real estate crowdfunding has made property investing easier than ever. Platforms like Fundrise, Realty Mogul, and Roofstock let you invest in real estate projects for as little as $100. You can own a share of apartment buildings, commercial spaces, or even luxury rentals, and earn a share of the profits through rental income and appreciation. Let's talk real numbers. If a property earns 10% annually and you invest $1,000, that's $100 per year in passive income without doing any work. Want more control? Buy a small rental property in affordable markets like Cleveland, Tampa, or Kansas City. Hire a property manager to handle tenants, maintenance, and rent collection. That way, the property pays itself off, while its value increases every single year. People like Graham Stephan, a real estate investor and YouTuber, built multi-million-dollar portfolios, starting with one small duplex in Los Angeles. Real estate is not just shelter, it's leverage. It grows while you sleep, appreciates while you wait, and protects your wealth against inflation. And with new tools like REITs, real estate investment trusts, you can invest in properties through the stock market with the click of a button. And finally, number 1, Amazon FBA, the business model that lets you own a store that never closes. FBA stands for Fulfilled by Amazon. You find products, send them to Amazon's warehouses, and Amazon does everything else: shipping, returns, storage, customer service. You just collect profits. This is the ultimate form of automated income. Here's how to start. Use Jungle Scout or Helium 10 to find high-demand, low-competition products. Source them from Alibaba or local manufacturers. Send your inventory to Amazon's fulfillment centers. Optimize your listing with good photos, keywords, and reviews. Once it's live, sales start rolling in, and Amazon handles the rest. Thousands of people are doing this full-time. Take Tamarati, who started with a single product and turned it into a multi-million-dollar Amazon business, all managed remotely. What makes FBA so powerful is scale. You can sell to millions of Amazon customers without touching a single package. It's like owning a digital storefront that works 24 hours a day, including while you sleep. So here's the truth. Passive income isn't magic. It takes effort up front. It takes time. It takes patience. But once your systems are built, they pay you back for years. Start small, stay consistent, and remember this. You don't have to work harder to get rich. You just have to make money work harder for you. If you got value from this video, do me a favor. Hit that like button, share this with a friend, and make sure you're subscribed. Because next week, we're revealing the top 7 real estate markets you can still afford in 2025. Remember, earn more, owe less, live free. This is Equity in Estates, and your journey to financial freedom starts right now.